Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's challenge is by your request to create a parametric table in Rhino. Let's find out. Draw a circle and make a copy inside using the offset command. Divide both circles by 4. Then rotate one of them by 45 degrees. By using the control point curve, I draw a curve. Adjust the curve by editing control points. Draw 2 circles for the base of the table. With the help of those 2 circles, I drew the base as I had in my mind. Adjust the curve by editing control points and draw the path of the table base. Next, I copy the curve and scale it to create the top of the table base. By using a sweep 1 rail, I create a surface with these curves. The primary part of modeling is contouring, which involves using the contour command and setting the distance between each contour to your desired value. Next, extrude the curves and make them solid. Then group all the solid parts. By the array polar command, I copied it 4 times. For better finishing, I need a solid part for the bottom of the model, which I created by using the curve boolean command. And then smooth the corners by using the fillet curve command. Extrude the bottom of the model. And then unify the model using the Boolean union command. At last, by using a circle and extrude, I create the glass on the top of the table. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please let me know by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.